guys, so as much as I like using avocado on my hair for hair growth and also to make it soft, and also use it as a deep conditioning treatment on my hair to make it soft, did you guys know that you can actually reap and get more of its benefits if you actually incorporate it in your diet? Right, so today I'll show you how you can do it. Alright, so let's get started. Avocado is a great source of natural biotin, antioxidants, minerals, essential fatty acids, vitamin A, B5, vitamin E, so it can help nourish and strengthen the hair, encourage hair and nail growth, improve the condition of the scalp, and prevent hair loss. So here are some ways that you can incorporate avocados more in your diet. Alright, so the first one, of course, is you can simply eat the avocado as is. And here we actually just add sugar sometimes to eat it. But however, if you want to be fancy and all, you can include this in your toasts in the morning and have it for breakfast, and just add any other ingredients that you like, and of course salt and pepper to taste. Now you can also eat them mashed or include them in your salads and season them, or make it as a side dish or add it to your burrito. Am I the only one who likes to add avocados in their burrito? Or in here you can also add it to your maki rolls. Now I love making my very own maki rolls at home just because I get to customize the ingredients that I want to add in it. And of course you can make some guacamole or just a basic avocado dip that would go well with your tortilla chips or quesadillas. And yes, I'm that person who loves to add avocados in their quesadillas. Now you can also make an avocado biotin shake for hair growth. Now all you need are bananas, which are also great for hair growth, by the way. And then of course avocados and any milk of your choice. Put it in the blender. And then once you're done, it's going to look something like this. Now you can add some honey or stevia if you want it to be extra sweet, but this was good enough for me. Alright, so the next recipe is an avocado ice cream. So of course you'll need an avocado. Then in here, I will be adding in some maca powder, which, by the way, helps with hair growth. It also aids in balancing out your hormones and helps you clear out your skin. And then, of course, milk and sugar. Now add all of them in the blender. By the way, I only use half a teaspoon of maca here and then blended them all in. Now you want this thick kind of consistency. And then after that, just put it in any molder that you have and then put it in the fridge. And then after that, you'll get this very tasty avocado ice cream. I like making this from time to time because, as I've said, it helps balance out my hormones, and also I noticed that it actually really makes my skin glow. Okay, so for the last recipe, this is actually another dessert, and it calls for a cocoa powder, sugar, vanilla, and of course avocado, and almond milk. Now put it all in a blender. By the way, you can also add a pinch of salt here, and then blend it. And then of course put it in the fridge, and then you'd get this nice vegan chocolate pudding that looks like this. Now this is one of those guilt-free desserts that I'm sure you guys would love. As I've said, as much as I love putting avocado on my hair, I find that eating it is more beneficial for both your hair and skin. Alright you guys, so that is it. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you are an avocado lover as well. If you all like avocados. Right now in my country, I'm from the Philippines, it is the avocado season, and there's a lot of avocado varieties that are coming out right now. That's why I'm taking advantage of this time in eating avocados, in not only using avocados in my hair care routine, but most importantly, to consume it. And also I'm very interested, let me know in the comments down below, you guys, which do you guys find effective? Putting avocados in your hair or actually eating avocados? Where do you see a better result? For me, I can say that it's great to both use it internally and externally, but mostly internally, just because if you eat it, your body actually absorbs all of the vitamins and the nutrients that the avocado has to offer. And when you eat it, not only does it help your hair grow, but it also helps your skin as well, and just basically your all over health. So that is it. If you all like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and also if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!